showed their fur too.
This is the American bison.
He's like Ferdinand.
Oh, he's like Ferdinand. You're right.
Yeah, but much bigger.
Hey everybody, Haley family here. So we had a change of plan yesterday. We went to the AHA Children's Museum in Lancaster, Ohio, which was really fun, and we'll do a review of that when we get a minute, but did not make it to the zoo last night. So, zoo today. But it's better because we can spend the day there. Now we can have some fun, look at the animals, and do the lights once it starts to get dark. So we'll get there just about 4 o'clock. We'll have about an hour and a half to walk around, see animals, and then we'll do the lights. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Cool. See you then. Bye. Testing out the new kid wagon. Look at these little people. Hey, where are we going?
The zoo.
Jake, where are we going? The zoo.
Like Rocky and Bullwinkle. How did they get one of Santa's reindeer down here?
He's doing what?
He's blending in with the rock.
He's doing bear stuff.
Right here on this big rock right here in front of us. Well, the one looks like he's digging, the one looks like he's being lazy. Alright, what do you guys see in there?
Look at that. What is this fox?
This is a snowy fox, I think. Bubby, what's in there? What's in there? Can you say bear?
I think it's a cougar.
When we go by, you have to wait for people. Here's the petting zoo. Oh, donkey, hee-haw! Oh, going through a little town. Jakey, you're doing it in dino. Like they like to be out at nighttime. Make sure you wave when we go by. Wave, big wave. Say hello, everybody. Oh, there's cranes in there. You see the cranes? Yeah. I didn't see the cranes in there. Into the station. Not yet, you gotta wait till it stops. Honey.
Hank and Connie.
Yep, Hank and Connie are hanging out.
Look at that little guy. Little red
He
panda.
looks fluffy for winter.
Oh, he's going for a walk.
This is a beaver.
There he goes, there he goes.
Oh, look how cool. Oh my goodness, what a great look at him.
That's pretty neat, huh, guys?
Oh, she's gonna dive again.
It's a beaver.
Oh,
you think, you guys? Oh, look at him go! All right.
Oh, he's laying down back there. You see that big snake, Bubby? Whoa. Look at the lizard, buddy. Over here. See him sitting there?
Look who it is! What do you guys think? Hey everybody, Haley family just finished at the Columbus Zoo. We actually saw a lot of animals today. I was really excited about it.
They were out hardcore.
So anyway, ta-ta for now.